How you doing, everybody? Today's card is a INFINITI Q56 2013. Looks like it's going to be a simple repair. The two fenders are good. I'll be changing the hood. I'll be changing this section over here of the radiator support. Doesn't have like a frame. The chassis of the car this is a body over. Body over frame, body over chassis, body over frame, whatever you guys want to call it. The chassis is good. It's just the part of the radiator support. The upper tie bar is damaged. The lower tie bar is damaged. This one, I repaired that one. The one on the top is aluminum. That one needs to be changed. Now, next move is tear down the car, take radiator, condenser, take everything out, take all the harness out of the way so I could make my life easy to work. So that's the next step. Tools I use mostly for this, regular drill, number 10 millimeter, or millimeter, whatever, 10 millimeter, 12, 13, and clip removal. Actually, the best clip removal that I have in the time that I've been doing this, $5, Home Depot. They call it a tag removal or some shit like that. It's like we call it clip removal tool. So this one is a Husky brand, Home Depot, $5, the best. Not a Snap-on, no, none of those crazy expensive ones. $5, the best. With these tools that I have in my hands, you get any car. I mean, unless it's a Ford. Ford, you need all of bunch of different sockets because they're crazy. I don't know why they do that shit. But with these tools, I think you even take the engine out of the car. No, I'm kidding. No, not the engine, but you will tear down the whole car. That's basically, these are the basic tools. So this is what I usually use when I'm doing tear downs. And also, I like to use my magnet tray so I keep everything in place. Not the plastics, but at least the metal pieces. So, pretty simple. Not a lot of crazy tools, not a lot of expensive tools. This is the most expensive one. It's been with me maybe for like 5 years now. Yeah, 5 years, because the warranty is 5 years and I don't have a warranty on this anymore. So, the battery is new though. But these tools, for the people doing it at home, that's all you need to take like the front end of the car apart. Simple. put the two lights, hood, bumper. The grill the customer bought was broken, so I didn't want to put it. He's in charge of doing that. The gaps look real good over here. Everything aligned good on this car. Right there, gap right here. So this one is done, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Bye.